Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, we are going to see now how the props will be passed from one component to another component. What is props drilling? Let's see in the code. Now I am creating the two components. One is a component 1 I am taking, and another one is component 2. So here and now we will see the output of component 1 in the app.js file. So we have to import it. So we'll see the output of component 1. Here it is. Now I want to see the component 2, but I want to import that component 1 in the app.js file, not component 2. But I want to see the component 2 output. How it will be possible? We can call the component 2 in component 1, because component 2 is we are importing into component 1. So in component 1, we will receive the output of component 2, and component 1 will be imported in app.js file. Already we are getting the output of component 2 in component 1, and component 1 output we will see from the app.js file. So I want to import component 2. So here I am calling. So now we are seeing component 2 output, but we are not importing component 2 in component 1. So you are seeing component 2. It is from component 2 component output, and it is importing in component 1, not in app.js. So now I want to pass the props from component 1 to component 2. How it will be possible? By using use state, we have to initialize the value first. So I want to pass this TechHub to component 2. How it is possible? By passing the props. So here I am passing the list. What we has been initialized to list is a TechHub, and for using set list for the updation of TechHub. So I am passing the list as a prop. So to get this output, we have to pass the props. So if you want to get the output, so props dot what we has been declared the name as list. So we'll see the output TechHub. If I declared here as a list 1, we will not get the output, because list 1 I named as a list 1, but here I am calling as a list. How we will get? No. So exactly what we have declared in that, we have to declare declare the same name what we has been calling to be matched. So otherwise we are using the props dot list. If we have 100 of names, how can we call that props? Again props dot list pop. It is continuously duplicate. So at that time we can also destructure it. what are the elements present in that, we can destructure it by using the flower braces. In this we would declare directly as a list. So we no need to call the props dot list again, directly list. This is called as destructuring the values or destructuring the data. You can also see TechHub. All these are coming from component 2. The component 1 is receiving the component 2 output, and the component 1 what the component 1 is receiving, we are seeing the output from the app.js. So this is the how we can pass. Now I want to pass the set list also. I want to update the TechHub value. Here I am using set list 1. So I have to call the set list 1. I am taking here as a button. Here I want to get the output. What is the updated value? At the time of H2 also it will be changed. You can see that. To change that value, what we have to use, on click event. So on click event, so here I am changing the TechHub to Radhika TechHub. So you can see the output as, so here TechHub because the list containing the value of initial value TechHub. When I click on the change as a button change, it will change to Radhika TechHub. See how this is. So it is updating. As same process, we can pass the values from one component to other component. From one component we can pass is how many components we want to pass, we can, but we have to pass the values, we have to initialize those continuously from one component to another component. So I will take the component 3. Here I want to take, so it is matching like, okay, so I will take the demo. So this component value I want to pass to component 3. I require this value in component 3. So how can I pass? So the props. So I want to pass this, and I also want to pass the list also. So I am passing demo and list. So in component 3, I am getting the demo and list values. So you can see. So here we are seeing the demo value of that component 2 value and the list as it is TechHub. If I change this Radhika TechHub, it has been changed. This is nothing but a props drilling concept, and the passing props from one component to another component is nothing but a props drilling. We can say how the way we can pass the values from one component to other component by using of props. So this is the how. If this concept is useful to you guys, please subscribe to my channel Radhika Tech Hub and click on the bell icon. You will get the notifications when I upload a new videos.